I'll show you how to fix the cigarette lighter on my Volve XC 2017. So this is the lighter. I put this one there. So the light is not on. And I turned, it's not on either. So I try to get the fuse box. The fuse box is in the front. So it's here. I already opened it. So it was like that. It was like that. And you open that. There are 3 connectors here, 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 and here, actually 4. So you pop it up. And on the back of here, you can see number 5 F24. So this one. And so look at here. So it's this guy. I pulled it out already. So this is F24. And on the side of this, there's some extra. So I took a 15 amp fuse. So I put it on here. Okay. And let's check if the light is on.
All right.
You see, the light is on now.